Hi, Your Excellency. Welcome to Manila City Hall.
Thank you very much. Thank you for the warm welcome for us. We invite you.
I'm very honored. I would like you to meet my Vice Mayor.
Good morning.
Vice Mayor.
Thank you very much.
You met the beautiful tourism
Yes,
officer.
yes, yes.
Aliyah, please come in.
Hi sa lahat ng bumubuo at miyembro ng God First Vloggers. Maraming salamat sa inyo sa patuloy niyong pagsuporta sa akin. Huwag kayong mag-alala. Ingat! God First!
Go on. But in the middle of the ring. So I thought I was 30 years old. I forgot I did. But my body is like a 70-year-old body. Because I've been working since 10 years old. We were talking about you about a few minutes ago when we saw you. Because you were born 1983. 1983, you were doing what you call street gambling. In 1983, I was like 9 years old then. We were playing coins in the streets of Tondo. And we were teaching the Vice Mayor on how we play during our younger years. We play with coins, gamble with it, trying to get as many coins from the other player.
Who's one last week? Who's the one when you play? You won before or also?
What do you mean?
When you're a teacher, you won this one, you teach about winning.
Oh, it's about how the tricks of it. But when I was young, most of the time I win because of in the 80s, Tondo still catching up with the peace and order situation. A lot of remnants of the 50s and 60s gang members still alive at the time. Because we have famous individual who rose in Tondo. My birthplace became our finally used the European word Robin Hood of the community, and the members are still around, so we grew up to them. So these are anong tawag yan? Pang-araw-araw na katayuan, daily activities, daily occurrence, daily 1980. So you're very young.
I have a son now.
You must be very good doing your job. Sending to the ambassadorship with the young kids. No, you must be good. You must be good. The country sees you as an asset. The Emirates or the state. We are honored. Thank you for your time visiting us.
I am thank you, Excellency, about your time and our honor to see you today. It's our honor to see you and to see you today.
Recently, with the ASEAN thing that is happening in the country, us as a country hosting the ASEAN 2026 activities. The city of Manila, in our own legal way, will participate with some activities going to happen for the ASEAN hosting. And one of those, we have introduced the ASEAN committee is to create halal town. Because we have already, since time immemorial, what you call Chinatown. Chinatown as being the largest in the country in terms of geography and demographics. But it is the oldest Chinatown in the world.
I was there from 2 weeks or 1 week.
Oh, yeah. Now, during my first term in 2019, 2022, we created Koreatown. That's in Manila. And we are reviving it through some activities. But historically, this city is an Islamic city. That cannot be denied. During the early times, our forefathers, Lakandula, Rahamatanda, Rahasuliman, Rahamago, these are our, if I'm not mistaken, Mala is an ancestor. But during the colonial time, we have converted into Christianity. 300 years of that. But the families of our ancestors still continue to live in the city of Manila. Our Muslim brothers and sisters located initially in Quiapo area. But through the years, progression, time, they are now located in different parts of the city. We have Paseco, we have Port Area, we have San Andres, we have San Miguel. Growing up, most of them are Maranao. Most of them. We have a community, Tausug community in Malate area, most of them. So, your city government opted to create a Baltang across the boulevard of the Quiapo. On the premise to introduce the food, halal food to each and every one of us. I eat halal food. Let's act as it like curry. I like curry. But most of us, so I want to reintroduce it. It's a safe, clean, delicious food. Because so far, since July 1, we were very successful on this CSI on redirecting and utilizing and nurturing our innate asset because of the mixed demographics of the city of Manila, what you call melting pot of the country. There's a lot of food culture on how we prepare. So, Director Tristan Bagachi invested into gastro-tourism. That's why you can see in the streets of Manila nowadays there is Illusion Alley or Zero in Tondo also in Ermita area. Here in this area is across the city. So we try to nakatuwa nga ako doon sa isa ko na ano ba siya? Arabo o Palestino?
Yung sa
Sir
hour.
Palestino.
Yes.
There is this one Palestine family who were disenfranchised during the course of the animosities in the area. So we went here, no money. We start cooking Islamic food. Oh my God. Now they're very famous. They're making a good or decent amount of livelihood. More than their place in Cavite. So he's very happy. The entire family is involved in cooking, preparation, and people are falling in love. See, that's what I mean. In Manila, there is always a culture. So maybe someday, somehow, the dialogue might or may want to join with Malaysia. Sino-sino ba mga interesado sa atin? Those countries, Indonesia, Malaysia, they really wanted to. We went there with the Secretary of Tourism also. It's a safe place to work. As long as I'm there, we try to have it safe, not in the past. Moving forward, I always try to make sense.
Thank you.
To have a logical conversation with them. For their own.
Actually, when I was living here, as we live in our country, it's very safe. The people is very kindly, and we enjoy the work here. And we are so happy to be in cooperation with our friend and Philippines.
Maganda yung ginawa nilang ano. Am I right that about 2 or 3 years ago, you hosted soccer? World Cup. Pucha pare. I think one of the best World Cup hosting. You really invested on that. The infrastructure, the stadium, and everything. Galing.
And those the Philippine workers that helps us to
Bill.
build this company.
But congratulations. Although it's been 3 years, but see, it started my memory because it was presented to the world that Qatar can host such demographics, multilingual, multi-religion, athletes being in one place in Qatar. I think that's a message that I got the way I look at it. I may be wrong. It seems that, now we don't just go to Dubai, we can just go to Abu Dhabi. We can go now to Qatar because of the did. It's like an opening of opportunity for us to be a tourist in the area.
I was thinking such a long time. And then maybe I want to be really about the relationship between Qatar and Philippines. We hosted the World Cup. After we hosted the World Cup 22, actually we have our honor visiting from Amir to Philippines. Our Amir visited to Philippines last April.
April 2024.
And we have make a political consultation with our friends in Philippines. And we have a good relation with Philippines.
How many Filipinos do we have already as we speak in Qatar?
We have 300,000
Wow.
increase the number. The number is increasing.
Yeah. So the economy is booming because you need to build a lot of things with the 300,000 manpower. Congratulations to you.
Thank you.
We call it here Sana All. And we're hoping through the leadership of the President and the people in the national government and we as local government try to align or in sync our action with the national goal. That's the way to do it. That's the way to do it. We have to work with each other.
May I ask this aside question, which team you support in World Cup?
I'm not a soccer fan, but I am an observer as a leader on how would I use government resources for my people to benefit from it. So that may goes to maybe infrastructure, maybe on education, maybe on tourism. So in this case, you build something that you can use regularly at the same money, whatever the cost of that. The ROI was immediate because you can pay it already. So that's the way. And the second one is, Qatar is opening now. Because, Qatar may be to our OFW being away from this Qatar. But the general population of the world is, Okay, you want to go to Middle East, you go to Abu Dhabi, or you go to Dubai, for tourism. You want to work, you go work with Qatar, Kuwait, Saudi, that's how you do it. But with this kind of a program of yours, you're trying to opening the door to the world.
Most of the now senators and governors, they went together recently. Every month we see like some senators from the because they went together.
I think that is because of that World Cup thing. It really brighten us.
We are not changed now.
I have a question. Doha is in the right.
Yes.
Doha is the Doha is the capital. Doha.
We wish you to use the
Dati yung gusto ni Drake, Manchester United. England, my son.
Pero local soccer team.
Local soccer. Kasi I bought a t-shirt eh.
Yung Manchester United.
Kapag, tapos, merong parang something that United.
Manchester United is a local team. England.
So just imagine, I'm a novice to soccer, but I have to buy a shirt. I have to buy a shirt made by Qatar for my son. So during the duty free, you see the shirt because it's everywhere. It's well organized and very successful.
Actually, Excellency, I left now to dive in Philippines. And my issue when I go to Doha, I have my group, our friend from Philippines. I dive with them in Doha. Like this, I ask my friend, I have a lot of my friends Filipino in Doha. I go to dive with them there.
Because the size of diving here is totally different to the here is very beautiful.
Oh, you dive?
Yes.
Scuba dive?
Yes.
Oh, we have a lot of diving resorts here in the Philippines. Oh, in Batangas, we have Manila. Have you been there?
Yes, I
Manila?
go there.
You saw Cathedral?
There's a lot of nice places inside.
The church underwater?
Yes, it's right.
Nagtawag sila doon yung cathedral. They call, no? They call it cathedral. Actually, it's the cross that on top of the church. Nilubog nila doon sa ilaw. So they call that place kind of like cathedral. Right?
Amazing place.
Have you seen Apple Island?
I see the name, I don't get the name, but sure I am going there. I think so.
Yes.
I mean, we have diving also there.
Yes. He knows a lot of
Diving.
Sometimes he dives between two people. Yeah, swimming pool. Sometimes when I was young, I jumped into a pool. I thought it's very deep. So when I jumped, it's just too deep. You know, I had, nagkaroon ako ng may galos. Ayun. Nagasgas. Sa Laguna. Ansol. So that's supposed to be what do you call this, a hot spring. But I jumped, little boy, but how would you know? Especially if you don't have a pool in the house. So you get excited with water. You just jump. It's just stupid.
That's moist talk.
So every time Your Excellency, please extend our gratitude as a CEO of Manila and its people. You visiting us today. And anything that's what we can do for you. And those Qatari individuals who are residing, and I think there are some in Ermita Malate area. Because we still have the Islamic food in the Salas area continue to strive. So I would assume that this is a place for common Islamic, multi-country Islamic community food area in Ermita, Salas. So you just tell them, feel free to go, and there will be anything towards his religious, you're always welcome here.
Thank you. Thank you.
And if they want to do business here, they're always welcome. Manila is around 2 million at a time and 3 million a day. It's really a huge market. A huge market. In Manila, we don't produce anything, but we distribute everything. That's the way we are since time immemorial. Even in the time of Wagner, during the time of Wagner, it is a center of exchange of goods and services. That's how we, so you're always welcome.
Thank you very much, Excellency. And Excellency, if there is any point on or recommendation from your side to build our relationship between our two countries, you're welcome to tell us anytime from your team.
You have sister city relationship.
Wala pa tayong sister city sa Middle East. Wala pa. Ever. Not Dubai, not Abu Dhabi. No, wala pa. It's always Europe,
Wala ba?
some Asia.
Maybe we can do it with Doha.
Actually, we have Excellency about twinning between cities. Yes, I think we have one or more, but still now not signed.
But you still have
That process.
a local government unit in Doha. Doha is a city.
Yes.
And there is what you call mayor or chief administrator.
Minister.
Administrator. Minister.
Our Minister of Municipality.
The minister and the member of the board. Do they have the board, like council?
How's the structure of the local government?
Yeah, how is it?
It's a Minister of Municipality.
Minister.
Yes,
It's like the mayor.
Yes, what he proposed, actually Doha proposed twinning from Doha, municipality of Doha and
Manila.
Yeah, and the minister himself, he asked us, is there any election now with the mayor of Manila? Because he wants to sign it.
Oh.
He heard that there is an election, he wants us to expedite it because he wants you to visit Qatar to sign it, or either he visit Manila.
No, we'll visit you in Doha.
So he wants us to expedite, but actually
I like to revive.
we don't know where is it now. Is it
Yeah,
in your-
that's why I'd like to revive.
We sent it through the DFA actually. All our papers.
No, wala pa tayong Middle Eastern sister city. Baka pwede ng sister city and instead of twin. As long as Doha is a city, we can have the sister city.
Yes.
Paano nyo nga? Wala pa tayo. Wala pa. There is nothing with us with regard to the Middle East part. Any city is our.
We can have a local contact from your side. So I can just send you the copy of it.
Mr. Mudawi, right?
No, I'm the deputy of
Said. Then Mr. Mudawi, sa Said. Then si Said. Through the ambassador's leadership. Tingnan nyo nga. Maganda yan.
For now,
At least, first time, Qatar.
Now we are not lost anymore. So we wish you to visit Qatar. You will enjoy it.
Yeah.
As an official or just for like tourism?
I always pass by Dubai for the reason that I need to go to Europe. Especially during the time of President Duterte, early years, because I was part of the peace talk in Netherlands, in Norway, in Rome.
You should always think Emirates. Emirates Airlines. You should take Qatar Airlines.
Na laging Emirates.
Nakulang ko lang yung Qatar Airways.
You haven't been Qatar Airways.
Not yet. Not yet. I think it's always
It's number one
I
airline.
have
You don't?
We'll give
Your
you
business class is
we'll give you upgrade.
Thank you very much.
Because you don't have shower in Qatar Airways.
Actually, it's now you should try to.
And A380.
the one with you have your own private cabin.
It's one.
What's the residence? Is that what you call the residence?
That's
Qatar.
what is that?
Qatar Airways offers residence for sit another hill. So that's not Qatar.
But I stayed in Dubai one time when we were retired. Let and I as our friends, we went to the dunes. The lesser dunes. We tried that.
We have the same also.
It's really fun. Our driver is Filipino. Oh. We enjoyed it.
Inshallah, we hope to see you. Inshallah, get to you. You will get us.
Sige. So, tingin ko maganda tayo. Doha, City of
I think you're you are the designated
Yeah, so here is
To see
because they want to
Yes, I see with your email. So we can correspond.
Yes.
Sige. Tingnan mo nga, maganda na niya. First in Middle East. First yan, it's gonna be first.
Actually, the minister themselves really asked us to expedite to look. He wants to sign this one, and even I think he spoke with the new ambassador in Doha regarding this one.
It's gonna be under your leadership. It's gonna be first for us as city. Sorry. Yeah. Try mo ah. Gusto ko to. Sige. Excellency, I have something for you. Yeah. Sorry. This is a symbolic key. This is the key to the city. It symbolizes that you are always welcome. Even if the door is closed, you can open it. And of course, simple gift from the people of Manila. Thank you.
We have a small thing for you.
Maganda ito. Di pa nakakapunta ng Doha. Di ba? Ako din malapit lang yan eh. It's striking distance.
Stop over.
Kakabilang siya nung ano.
Ng Bahrain. Bahrain, Doha.
Tsaka okay yung airport. Okay yung stopover. Stopover lang.
Kaya wala na ako tayo sa isa.
Something from our culture.
Thank you, thank you. Thank you, Your Excellency. Sir. Halika kayo, Vice Mayor. You join us. Come on, you join us. May bayad ba subscription? Wala, di ba? Click the button, subscribe, then click all.